Hi everybody, this is Jeff at Salem Harley-Davidson. Going to talk about some performance parts today that we just got in. I'm super excited. We're going to put all these parts on a brand new 2020 FXBB or Street Bob, and let's just roll with some new performance parts. I'm going to start out with an air cleaner from Ness. It's really cool. It's a heavy breather, so it'll suck all the air that you need. Got all the components here in the box. The thing I'm most excited about is this awesome carbon fiber air cleaner cover that just covers the end of your air cleaner, and it just is a nice finish, super nice finish. Excited about this one. You're gonna go fast, you gotta have a good seat to keep you in place. Here's our LaPera kick flip seat. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up because you guys need to see this. It's LaPera's newest performance seat. It's got a nice backrest area for the rider. Keeps you right in the perfect riding position. I really like LaPera's products. Come on down and check them out. So we added some old school cool with diamond stitch LaPera kick flip seat. There you are. That's what's going to keep you in the saddle right there. Throttle on, hold on. And last but not least, for a little extra performance, the 2020 Street Bob comes stock with a LED headlight. We're going to add LED turn signals to the front, LED turn signals to the rear, both from Custom Dynamics. They're a great product, and come on down and see us. Next, I'm going to show you the exhaust that we chose for the Street Bob. It's from Bassani, and it's called the Ripper. Ripper's a really nice 2-in-1. We chose black. We have black bike. We're going to get dirty nasty with black. I'll show you this. Bassani, along with a lot of our other distributors, take a lot of time to package, so your product comes to us in pristine condition. No scratches, no dents. I'm really excited about this exhaust. I can't wait to hear this bike run once it's all tuned up. It's like Christmas around here. So, when it's all said and done, our pipe is going to look like this. That's pretty bad. I like it. The Ripper. Next, if you're going to let it breathe and you let it exhaust, we need to put the Screaming Eagle tuner to it. After that, we chose to put a flush mount gas cap on there. We want to have the least amount of wind resistance that we can get. So here's your flush mount gas cap. The beauty ring to dress it up when it's on the bike, just like so.